Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to write a Python code that lists all firewall rules on a Windows machine. We are going to import subprocess. Subprocess. This module allows you to spawn new processes, connect to their input-output error pipes, and obtain their return code. In our example, it will be used to run shell commands from within Python. Define our function, define list firewall rules. This function, when called, will execute a command to retrieve and display the current firewall rules. This is our command. Net-sh, this is a command line utility in Windows used for network configuration. Then we have advanced firewall. This refers to the Windows firewall. Firewall show rule and name value set to all. This part of the command instructs the firewall to display all rules defined in its configuration. Now running the command, the subprocess run. This function is used to execute the command defined in the command variable. The shell value set to true. This allows the command to be executed through the shell, enabling the use of shell features. Capture outputs value set to true. This captures the standard output, standard out, and standard error of the command. The text value set to true. This tells functions to treat the output as text string rather than bytes. Printing the output. Result standard out. This accesses the standard output of the executed command, which contains the information about the firewall rules. The print function prints this information to the console. Now our main program. List firewall rules. this calls the function defined earlier, triggering the execution of the command to list all firewalls. So let's run our code. And here is that. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Ask and Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.